Hello and welcome to lesson 46 in the creation of our school management system using Microsoft Excel and Word with the JForce IT Service Academy. In lesson 45, we were dealing with how to insert the various formulas for the various classes to help us to determine the amount of fees that each student is supposed to pay from those classes. So in this lesson, we are just going to continue inserting formulas that can help us to determine the amount of money that each student is supposed to pay from each class. So if you are new to the channel, if this is your first time watching this video on this channel, then please make sure that you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell icon for all. Make sure that you drop your comment in the comment section of this video. Make sure that you share this video with your friends and make sure that you like this video so that it can pop up for more people to benefit from it. We don't charge anything for these videos. All right, so let's just get started in this lesson 46 without wasting much time. So in the previous lesson, that was lesson 45, we ended on the basic 4. So we are going to continue inserting the formulas for basic 5. So you bring a new bracket, you open a new bracket like this, then C6 here. So the C6 represents the class column. So C6 equal to, then you bring your inverted commas. So which class are we inserting the formula for? It's basic 5. So basic 5 like this, then you close it. So after closing it, then you bring another comma. The previous amount was 450 cedis, so the current one is supposed to be 500 cedis. The current one is supposed to be 500 Ghana cedis. Then you bring another comma. So now we are moving to the next class, that is going to be basic 6. So you bring your if statement again. So if C6 here equals to, so if C6 is equal to basic 6, then the fees should be 550 Ghana cedis. That is what we are trying to do. So if C6 here is equal to basic 6, then the fees is supposed to be, or the fees should be 550 cedis, 1000 cedis, 200 cedis, or whatever. So that is what we want to determine now. So before we do that one, let's not forget to bring our inverted commas. So let's come to this side and insert our inverted commas like that. Good. So we bring comma. So the statement is just going to help us to determine the various amount of money that each student is supposed to pay from each class. So if the student is in basic 6, then the student must pay 550 cedis, or the fees must be 550 Ghana cedis. So we insert the fees like this. Good. Now we are done with the basic 6 here. We are done with basic 6 here. So the next one that we are going to do is going to be for basic 7. It's going to be that of basic 7. So if, then you open a new bracket like this, then C6 representing the class equals, then you bring another inverted commas like this, equals basic 7. So this one is going to be basic 7. Basic 7, then you bring another inverted commas, then comma. So this formula is simply telling the system to give a particular amount to all the students in basic 7 to pay as basic 7 members. So if the student belongs to basic 7, that student must pay a certain amount. So if C6 here is basic 7, then the student or the learner must pay 600 Ghana cedis. So that is the amount that the student is going to pay if that student happened to be a basic 7 student or a basic 7 learner. Good. So we are moving to the next one, that is going to be basic 8. So we bring our if statement again. So if, then you open a new bracket, C6, then equal to sign like this, then you bring your inverted commas, then basic, basic 8. So we are done with basic 7. We are dealing with basic 8. So don't forget to bring your inverted commas. Don't also forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon for all, so that when we upload a new video, you'll be able to get a notification and watch that particular video without any stress and without any problem. So we insert our comma here. We insert our comma here. Please don't leave any space before you insert the comma there. So this one is supposed to be 650 Ghana cedis. It's supposed to be 650 Ghana cedis. So the next one that we are going to do will be that of basic 9. But because we don't want this video to be long, we would like to end it here and continue in lesson 47. So please make sure that you subscribe to the channel, and I hope by now you are done with all those things. So thank you very much. Let's meet in lesson 47. Bye bye.